shout out to all of you viewers. This activity is just, of course, a slight mukbang. This one is what we call corn, pounded breadfruit. This one, and then this one is pounded banana.
Bago lang breadfruit pa, oh.
All right. Then this one is also they call it ammot. Like they buried it for 3 months, 4 or 6, 7. This one
9 or 10.
bury the breadfruit underground, and then after that open the ground, of course, then cook it. And this is what we call ammot. So at first, yes, we have hard time to adjust, but now it's yummy. So I have here mixed with colored rice.
Sashimi.
And then this one is, they call it sashimi. Sashimi, this one, sashimi. If you look. So guys, just enjoy. Just enjoy watching this video. And to all my friends, chuukese friends in mainland USA, enjoy watching
Banana.
while I am eating here. Mugo, samugo, samugo, samugo. Shout out to my friend Pijuk, Rakson. Enjoy working right there. And this one corn for you. Mayor sashimi right here. Oh, sashimi. And then this one is matururuts. Oh, it's not matururuts. Banana, pounded banana. So guys, what you are waiting for? Let's start the game. And this one is again Livis, Mayor Livis area. Okay, are you excited? So not only not only Filipinos, not only chuukese are eating this one, but also Filipino. Iwa. Fokkun. Okay, samuo. Let's start eating, guys. This is Datu Mabasag of Manubok Kulamanon. Actually, when I go back Philippines, I'm going to share this kind of food. We have breadfruit in Philippines, but actually we're not preparing such menu like this. So I'm going to teach them on how to prepare like this. This one ammot. So, oh my goodness, want to start eating, guys. I'm still pounding. Pounding. So now I will start. Yeah. Samuga, chuukese friends. Samuga. Yeah. Yeah. So this is now the assist. I don't know. I didn't ask how many months this one. So this is ammot. Ammot.
Nasli bago nga kuan bang o dili siya aslom.
Yummy. Ammot, fokkun ammot. Right.
Ma.
So we'll mix with colored rice, guys. How about the banana? This one is pounded banana right here.
Tanawin mo sa ilang data.
Okay. One. How about this? Oh. This one is so. Look. Yummy. Fokkun ammot.
Mabe?
This is pounded breadfruit. So when they harvest breadfruit, cook it and then pound. So the way they pound, it's fine, very very fine. They have also contest here in Chuk, like the best. Was that, I don't know, pounder? So it's really fine. You cannot even touch or feel like it's really fine, soft. So so this one, but again, a pot. Very nice. Very nice. To my friends, Big Joke, who else? Who are my friends in US right now? Here, I'll put for you guys. And of course, we'll mix with this colored rice. Almost done. Almost finished. Ay, because pakul naman. My goodness, my goodness, my goodness. So this one is a pot, still breadfruit. This one still breadfruit. Okay, and breadfruit, but the process is different. Okay, this one after you harvest this one, of course peel it, cook it, and then pound. And then this is the result. And then that's the process for pounded breadfruit. But for ammot is different. This one different. So this one is after harvesting, chop it, chop, and then bury it under the ground for like 6 months. I don't know, I'm not sure. Have to document one day on how to prepare ammot. So that's my assignment. So they bury this one, and then after 6 months, open, and then take it, then cook it. Cook, and then this is the result. Okay, so at least you have just a little bit view or background about this ammot. And now it's still the taste is different. I cannot explain. Let me taste again.
Ako karot.
Different taste. This one is, of course. So here we go. Yeah. Yeah. Actually, this one is tuna. See, look, it's tuna sashimi. And this one is also sashimi. I think this one is rockfish or jellyfish. Jellyfish. So this one is it's like just a little bit sour here. Okay. Why it's like that? Okay. So guys, yummy. Fokkun.